Hello, good morning, everyone. This is Zach here from XIFU. So, if you are watching this section here together with me, appreciate if you can help me to click the like buttons. Help me to share this out as well. Again, a quick disclaimer over here: this section we are not doing any buy and sell call. So, if you want to trade any stocks based on discussion this morning, make sure you got own trading plan. If not, get advice from professional. Okay. So market continues to show a sign of rebound, okay, which is good. I think, again, a good opportunity for us to look for some opportunity over here. So right now, I still in two of my counters only, Inari and GradTech. Hopefully, both of them continue to perform today. Okay, so today we do see a lot of stock make a little bit of gap up. I think just now I saw YTR also do a gap up. Okay, hopefully the gaps hold today. Okay, let's say it goes up, close back the gaps. I think probably this short-term rally probably might end soon. But looking into this KLSCI over here, I still think that they probably will try to challenge this level over here, 1550. Still got still got some gaps to actually for them to test. So hopefully today is already Thursday, tomorrow or maybe subsequent next week, we will see market continue to try on the resistance. So at least there's some opportunity in some of the counters that we are looking into right now. So this is the overall FBM KLSCI. Let's try to check our indices. Okay, so indices wise, okay, we got some mixture, but I think mostly it's in green. Okay, plantation is red, REITs is in red, healthcare, but the rest mostly is in green. So like I say, I still prefer my tech, okay, overall. So that's why I in GradTech and Inari currently. So okay, tech also today pretty strong for me. Not to say the strongest boleh tahan but considering the recent market, I think is not too bad. Okay, so if you got any questions, just let me know. Can you comment on Almas? Okay, sure. I will start with Almas first. Do let me know any counters you want me to look into as well. If not, we go into our trick signal. Okay, then we end our sections. Okay, Almas. I think there are a few counters that coming back very very fast and strong. One of them is Almas. The other one is XIFU. Okay, XIFU also. I think today continue goes up also. So okay, now Almas. Almas yesterday closed with shooting star. Okay, I thought it's going to be an up bar because morning is quite active and bullish. Okay, so this is let me just draw my line here nicely. Okay, so this is will be your actually they're doing some sort of like a reaccumulations for me. So here will be the so-called the shakeout area. Okay, so previously we got one area over here. Okay, so that's why now they are trying resistance. Okay, some selling coming in, so they drop another round of shakeout. Okay, of course here we don't have much of the high volume. So I think overall is okay, it's good. But best is that they can go back to 85 cents level. That would be a best one. Okay, once they go back to 85 cents level, then they will have momentum try resistance or maybe even break the resistance later on. So here, not to say it's not good, but sometimes a bit tricky area because they probably will again sideways into this range. Okay, previously sideways over here. Now this one dip a little bit low. Okay, so sometimes probably it will sideways in this range. Okay, but overall, I do see there's a shakeout in this chart here. I think there is still got potential here, but just that currently they haven't do a shakeout complete. So maybe some patience required. Okay, if you are trading Almas right now. Okay, so this is Almas. Let's try XIFU. XIFU also very strong. Also coming back very fast. Okay, today also is the another widespread bar over here. Okay, so this one also a deep shakeout. I kind of like the volume actually for XIFU. I think XIFU is one of the counters that maybe we can pay attention to. If let's say moving forward 1 or 2 weeks from now, it do another low volume pullback. Because recently, if you notice, most of the counters when it goes up, even like some of the tech, I have to be frank also, it didn't goes up with volume. So that's why I don't really enter a lot. Okay, I just want to participate in this technical rebound only. So if you notice like XIFU, right, there are a few of the counters that actually show some sort of volume coming in. Okay, so this one is for me is a good sign. So again, if you notice here previously we got strength area. Also they come with volume also. So most probably I think here would be your kind of like a strong support area for XIFU. Hopefully I'm not sure whether they will retest back or not, around 2.1 area, I think would be a good area for me to enter with somehow lower risk. Okay, so there's overall call for XIFU. Something that I think is worth to uh, pay attention to. Okay, I kind of like the volume actually. And if you look into this overall setups, right, unlike those DC counters, those tech counters, all of them drop it. Okay, this one didn't. Okay, actually it didn't really drop it. It just sideways aja, shake out, and then coming back with volume. Okay, so of course we need to pay further attention on how they actually going to retest again on the support level. Okay, now let's try Hubsing. Okay, do let me know any other counters you want me to look into, and of course, do help me to click the like buttons for me. Help me to share this out as well. Now, Hubsing, I think, Joel, you asked me also, right, a few days ago. Okay, now my view is still the same. Short-term trend, I think there's some sort of changes because they break the downtrend line. Okay, here is actually pretty good with strength candles. Okay, now for me, here will be your new support level already, 1.25. Okay, today drop a bit, but as long as they are above this strength signal, I think it should be fine. Okay, so maybe sometimes it's like they were like this, zigzag, 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 zigzag before pops goes up. Okay, similar what counters I cannot recall, but okay, but overall, currently I still think that the sub is still solid. Okay, still valid still valid. Okay, and unless they actually drop below this strength candle. Okay, monitor the strength candle. Okay, Joel. So here will be your strength. Okay, here will be your support. Okay, now another counters that only yesterday I noticed is Southcon. Southcon actually come with lots of strength signals, but I didn't pay attention to it. Yeah, but all this why I didn't pay attention to Southcon now. Okay, too bad lah. Too late already. But I think still good. Okay, I think this one's still good. Okay, today come with low volume. So far 9:30 this morning still low volume. Okay, now here's some of the example. Maybe this is a good example for Hubsing. Here downtrend line. Okay, they break with strength. Okay, so sometimes what they do is that they will still kind of like test before they break, like Southcoin. Okay, so maybe Hubseng will go into this period also, like few weeks of sideways lah. Okay, few things to take note lah. As long as they are above the strength signal, they above the 20 and 40-day moving average, like Southcoin, I think it should be fine. Okay, I think still okay. Again, nothing buy and sell call lah. Just share with you what I see so far in the market and some of the previous example we try to apply. Okay, now going back to Southcoin. Okay, Southcoin actually, like I say, I don't know why I missed it. And in live Facebook also, no one actually asked me. Okay, so I assume that mostly you didn't pay attention to Southcoin. Like I said, I only realized yesterday this candle when it triggered another buy signal in my alerts there. Then I checked Southcoin, said, wait, okay, actually pretty nice. We got 4 strength signal including the day before. Okay, and now looks like today, if let's say volume remains to be low, I think it's a good setup again to look for another round opportunity at 29 cents. Okay, so it's a counters that I think worth to pay attention to. Okay, any other stock you want me to look into? If not, just go into the stocks that I'm holding. Okay, so first we got Inari, but Inari, like I said, notice here, right? Coming up with not much volume. So actually for me, it's not that convincing overall. Okay, so that's why I don't dare to enter a lot. But if you say that, okay, technical rebound, I think yes, it probably will happen. Okay, maybe to 2.3. Okay, to retest the previous gap. Okay, probably still happen. That's why I enter a little bit to participate on this market rebound. So few things I do. Okay, I use hourly chart. Okay, I use hourly chart. Still haven't break through this level yet. I hope they can break today 2.06, and I hope the so-called gaps can hold. The next one, they will challenge is 2.1. Okay, so for me, I just aim for a small little profit only, maybe like 5 to 6%. If let's say towards the 2.1, I don't see any weaknesses, probably I will still try to see whether I can reach into 2.14 or 2.15 area. Okay, so this is something that I actually planning to for my Inari. So let's try GradTech. Okay, GradTech, somehow the setup is somehow more solid a little bit. Okay, so okay, where's the candle? Okay, oh, okay, good. Okay, good. Okay, so all right, how much right now? Okay, 3% to 4% plus. So I actually, I think I in the money right now 5 to 6%. Okay, at least I got 6%. I think so. Okay, now let's look into daily chart. Okay, good. I kind of like the volume. Okay, I like the volume. Okay, now comparing to Inari, GradTech volume is somehow nicer, slightly nicer because of there's increasing numbers of volume. Okay, for me, probably I will try around. Actually, I want to try around 1.77. Okay, this is like a. Okay, of course, main one will be here lah, 1.8 lah. Okay, somewhere around 1.8 lah. But I'll see how it goes. Like I say, normally I use hourly chart to see whether got any weakness or not. If let's say I notice there's shooting star or maybe some bar with higher volume, maybe it's good for me to lock some profit also. So this is a zone currently I'm targeting. Okay, for GradTech. Okay, any other counters that doing a rebound one? Okay, let's try YTL power. I believe everyone here still in YTL power. Okay, similar also, breaking on the short-term trend. But again, I use hourly chart because like I said, those DC related one, right? I find currently is a bit risky, especially if let's say you want to plan for long term, because actually the background show a little bit of selling already. Okay, so yeah, if you want to participate in this kind of technical rebound or market rebound, I think also good for considerations. Okay, but unfortunately yesterday missed. This is actually a nice pullback, Okay, but YTL power, after I show further weakness sign, I actually did not that interest, okay, to follow their actions already. Okay, any other counters you want me to check? If not, probably we just end our sections. Okay, probably I just go through some of our alerts before we end. Okay, YTL power, I think just now already review. Okay, front can. Again, good counters to monitor also. Let's try hourly chart. See whether I got an opportunity or not in some of the tech stocks. Okay, slightly far away from 20 MA. Okay, let's try find something that is somehow safer. Okay, somehow safer. Okay, Wasco, very close to 20 MA. Hey, now got volume coming in. Okay, this one a bit similar like XIFU. I think it's a bit similar like XIFU, They actually built some support. Let me just write down. Maybe I will consider also Wasco. Okay. Okay, anyway, good spot today. At least we spot something. Unlike like before CNY until last week, really got nothing one. At least like starting from end of last week until now, we got something, right, to look into. Now, if you notice here, right, this is also a bit similar like accumulation phase. Okay, they drop sharp. Okay, now seems like they are trying to push back. If let's say this one able to push back to 95 cents, I think Wasco got potential. Hourly charts wise, volume is pretty high for me. Yeah, I think why not? Because since Inari and GradTech got some profit already, I think okay, I'm okay to maybe risk a little bit more. Now up, okay, less than 2% are currently up. 93, maybe I bought 93 and a half. 93 and a half. Okay, probably I can put 93 and a half. Okay, so at least good spot. Wasco, pretty nice. Actually, I like that. Okay, Sedania. Wow, okay, Sedania yesterday, big movement. Is it? Okay, today not big movement. Okay, big movement, Tamala. Okay, let's try Dayang. Uyo, ini pun cantik. But jalan already. Nice pullback lah yesterday, our chart. Today 4%. Actually, Dayang nice. Dayang is nice. This one also very close to resistance already. Okay, never mind. Actually, the hourly chart is nice. Too bad yesterday closing should do a bit of homework. The pullback is pretty nice towards the end. Okay, let's try UWC. We go to hourly chart. I think UWC, jalan also. 5% already. But I think this one's still good, 2.27. Okay, never mind. Let me just write down first. Who knows later towards the afternoon? Like for example, GradTech also. Morning it goes up. I didn't chase. I wait for afternoon a little bit. The market come a little bit, then they pull back. Okay, so I get my price at low, slightly lower. So who knows, UWC will do the same things, and maybe later on 2.27. We got opportunities later on. Okay, I like UWC also. LKL. Okay, no, too illiquid. PIE. Okay, but XIFU from the 20 MA, what is the reaction for today? Okay, up lah, payah lah. Up a lot lah. This one how many percent already? This one also almost 5%, 4.5%. MTAG, my previous counter, but no. Okay, never mind. A bit liquid in hourly chart. I'm looking for something that's at least liquid in hourly chart. Okay, Genetech. I'm not sure when, but not so nice lah for Genetech. Okay, let's see my morning one. I got any stock hit alerts. Pertama. Okay, far went from 2040. How about Hibiscus? Okay, Solar West also. Okay, not too bad. But I still like UWC right now. Okay, maybe I wait for UWC. See whether afternoon got a bit of pullback. Any others? No more idea. Okay, one more I want to try. Me Technovation. Also my previous favorite counter. Okay, I will look for I will do for MRCB, Yuli, and Netgates. Okay, this one's okay. But 2% only lah. Okay, trying to close this small gap. Okay, in hourly chart. Okay, maybe later I see whether can get 1.8 or not. Me 1.8. Okay, so sometimes what I do is just park only. Okay, let's say I can get the price I want, I ambil lah. Kalau tak ada lah. Kalau tak ada, we look for tomorrow. Okay. All right, let's look for MRCB. I'll go back to daily chart and Yuli and Netgates. Okay, before we end our section, MRCB. Okay. Now, overall downtrend, but good for current market situation. Good for technical rebound. Because why? Here got volume. Okay, got high volume at the bottom. Now looks like doing a little bit of technical rebound. All right, so again, hourly chart, because this one not suitable in daily chart anymore. Because for me, it's downtrend stock. But if you want to trade for quick trades, like Inari GradTech, like what I'm doing for myself right now, I think there's opportunities. Okay, so yeah, maybe support somewhere around here, 40 cents. Okay, resistance. I think immediate resistance with 43, but macam tak ada mid lah. Not much mid lah actually. This is how much? Currently 41 cents. So 20 cents is around 4-5%. Okay, if not, maybe you can aim somewhere around here, 46 cents. Okay, I mean overall not bad. Okay, just that the risk to reward, is it worth it or not? The mid looks like not much. Okay, unless they can go to 46 area lah. Okay, but again, a good counters to monitor also. All right, maybe I'll monitor. Who knows? Maybe lucky we can get around 40 cents later on. So okay, let's try Yuli. Okay, I'll go back to daily chart. Okay. Wow, this kind of counters. Oh, I think one you asked me, right? Last week or last 2 weeks ago. Okay, pump and dump counters. Okay, I think this is quite straightforward. It's a bit similar like previously, like JSB lah, YH Property lah, Ultronic lah, those type. Okay. Now so far, we all know this is pump and dump style. Okay, but at least now market come a little bit. Okay, if you really want to, I'm not sure you're looking for NTRX in that one. 50 cent will be your support area. I think this one. Okay, this one is pretty straightforward and a pretty straightforward kind of chart. Below 50 cents, you have to chop already because here we got one distributions happening. But at least these few days, 1 week plus, the market looks like calm a little bit. Okay, so maybe it will have another round. Maybe it will slowly come back up, have another round. So juggle your 50 cents. I think as long as you juggle 50 cents, should be fine. All right. But for me, normally this kind of counter is not my cup of tea. Okay, because yeah lah, when they drop, they will drop very fast with the widespread candle. Okay, normally you realize already, okay, sudah maybe 15-20% down already. Okay, but when it up, of course, happy lah, going up day by day. Okay, normally this kind of counters against, I prefer to have a little bit of, again, not asking you to do so, but normally this kind of counter, I have a bit of so-called info, some insider informations. Then I look in the chart. Okay, only I dare to enter, because if not, right, sometimes you don't know when they will dump the market. Also, damn scary one. Okay, now let's look into net gates. Net gates, I think the background is distribution. I didn't really follow closely, to be frank with you, because even for short term, I think right now some other counters probably might offer a better one. Okay, but again, if you are looking for short-term opportunity, I think yes, is possible, because I noticed the volume at the bottom here is increasing. Okay, over here is increasing. Of course, recently slow a bit, because going up with low volume right now. Okay, so what it means is that technical rebound, yes, it will happen, which is happening right now. But to go back to the previous trend, so far for me, I think it's unlikely. All right. So maybe the best is that we can aim is somewhere around here, 1.72, okay, for the technical rebound to happen. So let's look into hourly chart. So both of the Yuli and Negus, you're looking for entry. Am I right? If yes, just let me know. Okay. If you're looking for entry short term, long term, so let me know. Because these two counter actually the background is then come with a very nice background. Okay, especially negates. Okay, Yuli type, to be frank with you, sometimes it's a bit unpredictable one on this kind of chart. So as long as you focus on support, I think it's fine. Okay, negates short terms also doing the same pullbacks over here. Okay, for short term resistance currently 1.4. But so far I don't see any major weakness in our chart. So if you want to look for some short term opportunity like in our attack, I think it's okay. All right, so that's overall for net gates. Okay, now I'm also interested to look into some others, like previously very hot one, SNS and Notion. Let's try. Okay, this one also maybe we will take her about back to previous so-called support, which is potentially turned to resistance. Okay, let's go to hourly chart. Okay, this one also doing pullback. Volume a bit high right now. Okay, maybe we wait until afternoon. Stable a little bit, around 44 cents. Okay, I think it's good. Let's try Notion. Okay, good closing yesterday. How about this morning? Okay, not too bad. Okay, Notion also not too bad actually. Looking for short term, that's why I use hourly chart. Okay, so I think with this, once again, thank you for joining me this morning. Market continue to show sign of rebound. I think it's a good opportunity for us to look for some short-term opportunities, like what happened to Inari and Tech. So continue to follow my Telegram. If let's say I spot any interesting chart, okay, we will share it in the Telegram. Or maybe you spot any interesting chart also, you can actually post it over there for our discussion purpose. So with this, once again, thank you for joining me, and I will see you tomorrow morning. Okay, thank you, Ruku.